Hi, this is State Representative Seth Grove. Recently, President Trump signed into law the largest tax cut and largest changes to the federal tax code in the history of the United States. This once-in-a-generation law will unlock the economy of the United States and give every citizen of the United States a pay raise in their paychecks. Prior to the enactment of this law, Pennsylvania had one of the highest, if not the highest, corporate tax rate in the world. When you add the Commonwealth's 9.99% corporate tax rate with the federal government's previous 35% corporate tax rate, our combined tax rate is 44.99%. And it was a huge disadvantage for economic growth. With the federal tax changes, Pennsylvania corporations now have a combined corporate tax rate down to 30.99%, which is good. But unfortunately, Pennsylvania is still one of the highest corporate tax rates in the entire country. As the Federal Tax Cuts and Jobs Act will grow our economy, create new jobs, and as businesses reinvest offshore dollars back into America, we must be proactive. The Pennsylvania Tax Cuts and Jobs Act uses the economic gains of the federal law to cut the personal income tax from 3.07% down to 2.8%, the lowest it has been in 25 years. This will give every Pennsylvanian and small businesses an 8% pay raise. Further, it cuts the corporate tax rate from the highest 9.99% to tied for the lowest at 4% over 6 years. This will allow current corporations to reinvest in Pennsylvania and help us draw more business into the Commonwealth. The status quo policies of taxing and spending have failed Pennsylvania. We need to change the policy discourse in the Commonwealth. Revenue should be generated not through taking of your hard-earned money, but through economic growth. Wage increases and putting people back to work. The Federal Tax Cuts and Jobs Act will be the catalyst for economic prosperity of the Commonwealth, and the Pennsylvania Tax Cuts and Jobs Acts will piggyback off the federal tax code changes to provide a multiplier effect.